Hey there mga may loves collectives, ayan mga babes 'no, stalking time. So ayan mga babes 'no, parang marami yung may gusto 'no, ng stalking time. Dun sa kanilang person on their mind 'no, kasi nga hindi na kailangan magtanong 'no. Alam mo kasi kapagka konektado kayo and you feel so drawn sa reading 'no, yeah, kayo talaga yung kinakausap dun 'no. So exactly the point is 'no, hindi niyo na kailangan tanungin ano yung nangyayari sa situations ninyo guys 'no. Just by this 'no, posible na rin kayo makakuha ng mga hints and clues sa thoughts ng person na iniisip ninyo. So, yun yung ating aalamin. So, I hope makuha ko yung energies mo. Yung iba, gustong gawing regular na tong stalking time, 'di ba? So, let me know no, sa ating comments down below no, kung gusto ninyo maging regular ang ating litong pangchichismis sa thoughts and feelings ng person on your mind, no? So go ahead, no? I want to know your feedbacks and your reviews. So thank you so much. Let's go ahead and check these messages. No, by the way, wala tayong gender dito. And hi sa ating mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, no? At sa ating mga returning at pabalik-balik ng mga tambayers. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawa talaga, no? Na pagtangkilik dito sa aking channel. Yeah, kung hindi niyo pa po knows, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link niyan ay down below sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan, then go ahead. You can do that. Basta just take only what resonates. Ang link po niyan ay nandyan sa ating description box. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides. Can we get messages right here no, sa person on his or her mind ng aking mga collective people? So let us see. What is inside this person's thoughts and feelings? Can you please show me the person na iniisip ng aking mga collective? Yung renting free sa kanila ritong thoughts? Who is this person here? And what is the situation? Okay. So let's go ahead and check the situation right here for you guys. So we do have here settlement, agreement, compromise, okay? So nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, ang dalawang chalices, no? At nakikita ko dito na mukhang meron dito, no, agreement, no? And nakikita ko na isa itong kasunduan na importante, mahalaga. So alamin natin kung ano yan, but I'm picking up that this is a agreement, no? Or settling down pagdating sa love. No? Maybe someone here no, is possible na ito ay new connection for others pero mukhang nabanggit niya na, no? Nagsalita na siya rito, may conversation na, no? Na parang this energy right here no, is nabanggit na sa'yo na nagde-date siya to marry, no? When we say date to marry, ibig sabihin kung sino man yung mapipili niyang i-date, no? Yun na rin talaga yung nakikitaan niya ng future na makakasama niya yan. If it is a new connection right here, no? Pero nakukuha ko rin dito yung iba, pwedeng kayo to ng iyo ritong boyfriend, girlfriend, no? At posibleng this person right here is someone, no, na na-open up sa inyo yung settling down with you, like, handa na ba kayo magpakasal or if marriage will be the topic, how would you feel, no? Pwedeng yun yung iniisip niya dito. So, ang taray, no? Settling down. We also have here hamster wheel, surviving daily hustle. Yes, no? Because this person right here keeps on thinking about the future here with you guys, no? Nakikita ko rito na siya yung klase ng energy na hindi susuko. Someone here no, that will do everything. No, yeah, single people, no? Yeah, this could be your prediction para sa inyong future because I'm seeing energies of my single people as well, no? So, yan. So, someone here, yeah, look at the money, no? It looks like dollar right here. So, you could be dealing here with a foreigner or kahit na lumaki sa ibang bansa, no? Yan, pwede rin namang born sa Philippines pero raised sa other country, no? So, just take how this resonates, no? Mga ganyan, no? Pero kung sino man ito, high potential, possible na ito ay nakapag-abroad na, possible na na-try niya na rin dito or iniisip niya 'no, na i-try rito na i-grab yung opportunity abroad 'no, para mas makapag-ipon ng malaki para 'pag dinala niya yan rito sa Pilipinas 'no, malaki yung halaga niyan, okay compared doon 'no, sa other country 'no. So yeah, and also nakikita ko dito na this person right here is ready na at alam niya na kailangan niya na ring i-ready ang kanya ritong pinansyal 'no. So nakikita ko dito mas pinaghuhusayan, mas pinag-e-effortan niya rito 'no, yung kanya ritong career, job, business, and other target goals and plans 'no. See, meeting two or more people, discussions, planning talaga. And look at that. I love the color of the flowers right here. And flowers are very strong symbol of romance is blooming. So kung ito ay bagong connection, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, date to marry ang hanap niya. At nakikita ko ritong nakikita kanyang ganon. So I'm seeing you right here, no, meeting the right person. And this person right here wants to settle down with you guys, no? He or she is already preparing the financial needs, no? Preparing the homes and kay titira, no? Location and everything, no? Whether this is a new connection coming in, see, look at that, no? Kakabanggit ko lang, no? Kasali rin kayo rito mga single people, no? So with the two or more people, nakikita ko rito, no, na pag-uusapan na ito. And when we say more people, it could be someone here, no, that he or she finally wants you to meet his or her family, no? Yung kanya rito mga closest people, like his or her best friends. Yeah, I'm getting that high school best friends, college best friends, no? Gusto niya silang tipunin, no, para ipakilala ka ng talagang ah bongga na talaga dito, no, sa kanyang mga friends. So see, meeting the parents, meeting the relatives right here because you're settling down, you're having this kind of agreement. We have here the two of chalices, which is a symbol of love. Romance is blooming right here. Wow, see? We also have here this interview. Yeah, of course, when it comes to meeting, no, you have a lot of questions, no? At nakikita ko you have a lot of what ifs, no? I'm also seeing fear right here from you guys, no? Parang ready na ba talaga tayo? Are we really stepping into this type of energy? Or is this person right here being true sa mga sinasabi niya sa akin, no? So, yan. And it could also mean, no, that this talk, this conversation right here, nakikita ko, no, na it is also something 'no, na kailangan mong paghandaan kasi maha-hot seat ka rin ng kanya rito 'no, ng mga parents 'no, ng kanya rito na relatives, ng kanyang mga special people sa kanyang life 'no. But yeah, get on the same page we have here. So meaning to say, nakikita ko rito na magiging maayos 'no, ang flow ng inyo ritong conversation. So I'm seeing you settling down together, that there will be no problem into this type of connection right here. Everything will be settled, no? At nakikita ko na magpaplano na kayo, mag-organize na kayo dito. And for those people, no, na nagkakakilala pa lang, especially for those single people na mamimit pa lang nila or yung iba kakamit nyo pa lang with this person right here, I'm seeing that your connection, no, is having this type of flow na talagang papunta na kayo on the other side, no? And you like this person's here perspective because he or she is already including you in his or her future envision, diba? So we also have here, come together. Yeah, look at that, no? The cards are being aligned right here, no? It looks like I'm seeing two people right here. Yeah, I'm not feeling that this is coming back from an ex, but being coming together with each other, which means spiritual union. It's a soul contract right here, no? Oras na para kayo ay mag-come together sa isa't isa, no? Dalawang soul, no, na nagkahiwalay rito. So, you're pulling each other's soul, no? Ngayon, no, you're calling each of souls ninyo, no? At magkikita at magkakakilala na kayo ngayon. Finally, you will meet the love, the true love, the one that will give you unconditional love. Wow, this is really a very inspiring and very, ano talaga, no, lovey-dovey yung ating energy ngayong Sunday. So, ang ganda guys, 'di ba? You're coming together with a new person, a brand new person right here. No? And yung iba, boyfriend, girlfriend yun na ito. No? So, nakikita ko rito that this come together is taking your relationship to the next higher level of commitment. So, she's the one. Yan o. She's the one. He's the one already. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo mga sweethearts na on the table. Look at that. See? Everything is talaga namang twos. Dalawa na naman yung nakikita ko rito mga babes, no? Na yun, no? Dalawa na naman na cup yan mga babes, no? This is celebration right here, no? I'm picking up that this wine right here is a celebration, no? This is already the wedding day, that ceremony, the one that you've been waiting for, that offer, that proposal, that commitment. I'm seeing marriage between the both of you guys because you're coming together as one. Wow, definitely matutuloy ito at nakikita ko that you will definitely be together right here no, because this person wants to stay with you right by your side. Wow. So let me see at the bottom of the deck we have here the negotiator, bargaining, begging. Naku, ito na nga yun. No? Meron pa dito makikipag-negotiate dito mga babes. No? At huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi ito ang ex ninyo, no? Ibig lang sabihin nito, this person here will crack some kind of jokes right here, no? And he or she will tell you na kahit na, yan, no? Nanonood ako, ibibigay ko sa iyo yung remote control. Yan, no? Example niyan, mga ganun mga biso. Kahit na, naliligo pa ako at kailangan mo kong utusan, I will be there. Yan, no? So definitely, this person here will bargain, will beg right here, na even though he or she already knows the answer, no? That you are about to say yes into this type of marriage, no? Coming together as one, no? Pero tingnan mo naman yan, makikipag-negotiate pa rin siya sa'yo dito. And I'm seeing a very calm face sa inyo, no? Like your expression, your impression right here is definitely superb. So nakikita ko na talagang itong tao na to is nakikita mo rin talaga, no? Na magiging talagang makakasama mo sa iyong future. Wow, everything right here, no, will fall into its right places and ang ganda. Bongga talaga mga babes, no. You are really something here na talagang papunta na kayo dun, no, sa tinatawag natin na super something better for you guys, no. So, I'm sensing energies right here, no, na na-pick up ko rin, no, last time. So, hopefully, ito na yung karugtong nun, guys. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, no, nood-nood lang kayo, no, kasi hindi natin mamamalayan, no, na yung connection, no, ng kada reading ay yun na pala yun. No? It's like an extension reading here, di ba? So, sa mga nakakasunod dyan, ito na yung love of your life coming in for you guys. Let me get more. Let me talk more about this person here from a collective people. Can we see more? Can we see more? Can we get other informations, please? Thank you so much, Angel Gods, Archangel Michael. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have here this Four of Pentacles energy, the energy of I will not let go of you. Wow, see? Also have here the Full card energy, yeah. We also have here the Knight of Cups energy. Wheel of Fortune, definitely. Five of Cups, energy. I mean, the Five of Coins, but binanggit ko yung Five of Cups. I'm gonna tell it to you later. And now we have here the Queen of Coins and Page of Coins energy, no? So, alam mo kung anong ibig sabihin nun, mga mahal, no? So, alam mo, kung sino man tong tao na to, no, I will not let go of you. That's one of the strongest message that I'm picking up. And this person is coming your way. Kung hindi mo pa siya nakikilala, full card energy, no, at itong tao na to, no, kahit pa magkaroon dito ng mga blockages, no, na posible rito magpakaroon rito ng delay sa inyong connection, no, moving forward pa rin siya rito, no. So nakikita kong tuloy na talaga ang inyo ritong pagtatagpo kung hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala or nagkikita. No? So nakikita ko rito walang kahit na ano man ritong balakid, no, na makakasagabal sa inyo ritong pagtatagpo dahil oras na to come together with this person right here. Full card energy. Kaya kung nasan man siya ngayon, tinatawag na rin siya rito upang kayong dalawa ay magkasama na. No? So may mga pinagdadaanan at pagdadaanan siya no, along the way bago kayo magkakilala, no? So, may mga tests, may mga challenges, no? Pero, this person right here tuloy-tuloy pa rin 'no, yung kanya ritong desisyon 'no. And this person wala siyang kaalam-alam 'no, basta tinutuloy niya lang itong gagawin niya because he or she knows and feels that this is something here right 'no. So kung yan may kinalaman sa kanyang career, job, yan ay ang mapapalapit sa inyo 'no. So nakikita ko ritong you will definitely meet here the love of your life 'no. At nakikita ko dito na kung sino man siya, puwedeng nature lover, puwedeng mahilig mag-hiking 'no, or baka naman beach hopping, camping 'no, or baka naman nakaka-feel lang siya 'no ng rest kapagka nakakita siya ng nature, mga bundok, landscape 'no, beach, body of water, and definitely someone who is romantic, Knight of Cups energy, no? Pwede rin ang profession niya rito mga babes, no? Is to public service. Pwedeng siya ay doctor, healer, okay, nurse. Doesn't have to be, but the Knight of Cups energy is the energy here of someone, no, na romantic and at the same time, no, siya ang inyong healing connection, no? So nakita ko rin dito na kahit na nasaktan rin siya sa kanyang pag-ibig experiences before na nakikita ko rito na this person right here is someone 'no, who can definitely give you that kind of comfort 'no, and sense of familiarity and security 'no, Queen of Pentacles energy 'no. Alam mo ito na yung tatapakan mo ritong energy 'no, na makakapag-focus ka na dito sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa gusto mong pagpukusan 'no, dahil wala kang magiging problema sa taong ito. Ang taong ito pa nga na ay tutulong sa'yo 'no, matulungin niya rito kaya kahit na may mga problema pa siya during, dito 'no, na personal na mga bagay na inaasikaso niya 'no, nakikita ko na lagi siyang andiyan for you, especially kung ito ay boyfriend or girlfriend niyo na ngayon, 'no. So, kahit meron rin siya ritong sariling ginagawa, problema, 'no, sa kanya ritong na-e-encounter sa kanyang trabaho, personal life, 'no, puwede rin sa family niya, 'no, pero 'pag kailangan mo ng tulong na talagang tinutulungan niya kayo rito, mapapera man 'yan, yung suporta-suporta talaga, 'no. So, nakita ko dito na kung sino man 'tong tao na 'to with the Page of Coins energy, look at that. This is not someone here na tumitigil na mag-learn 'no, or mag-discover ng something new. So nakikita ko rito that this person here will definitely, okay, show you a lot of effort 'no, and show you a lot of new things 'no, at mga bagay rito like hindi kayo magkakaroon dito ng downtime with this person. So nakikita ko rito na, yung pagsasama ninyo 'no, will be so happy right here every day kasi gusto niya ritong matutunan ang lahat ng mga bagay 'no, na gawin kasama kayo 'no, and this person here will not stop learning, no, to make this connection right here flow, no, ng tama at nasa ayos. So yeah, definitely a very comforting love story is definitely unfolding here in your life, sweetheart. And I love it that we've got it this Sunday. Wow! So ano bang hinihintay nyo? I-claim nyo na yan. For some reason, I'm picking up letters right here, no, so you might want to jot it down. Okay, we also have here numbers as well. So I'm gonna make banggit na now, no? So I'm seeing letters H. I'm also seeing letter L. I'm also seeing letter N. And we also have here letter A. At nandito din letter T. And last but not the least letter is the letter Y. Yan, no? At para naman sa mga numbers, I mean, we have here number 2 and number 0, no? But it could also mean 20, no? Maybe someone's here birth date, special date, no? Favorite number, whatever, no? At kung yung mga letters man na yan yung mga nagsasound at mga babes, no? But doesn't have to be, no, na yan na talaga yun, no? Pwede yan ay part ng kanya ritong name, na initials ninyo, no? Or ng kanya. Just take how this resonate. So, thank you so much, no? Yung pag-stalk natin dito sa person ninyo, upcoming person man ito, or this is the person here that is already in your life. Wow. Okay? This is what inside his or her thoughts, no? And also, pinakita niya rin sa akin rito, no? Nakarapat dapat siya for you, Nakshis. Yan, no? So, thank you so much again in Yuriana on me. Sarang hiya, love in light. Annyeong.